Hair hack. My favorite to toss on Instagram, on digital media, is always makeup and hair. Let's begin. It's very simple. Oh my god, guys, I'm already scared. It looks like maybe also cutting your hair. Maybe at the end you will take out the elastic, but also you will end up with hair like here. Okay. I need eyes in the back of my hair, but let me be sure I don't cut my hair, because if I cut my hair, then we are done. So this is my last one. Voila! So this gadget is super efficient. This is a weapon to have at home. Next gadget, also I can't wait to try this because it looks a little bit mysterious, you know? She just showed like a packaging of lips, so I don't know what is it exactly. Oh my god, I'm scared, like definitely I do not want to try this. This looks so gross and exaggerated, like this gadget is not for me. Okay, the structure is like super sticky, so I hope I will not do a disaster here with you. Oh la la. I'm gonna put it in here. Oh my god, it looks like I have like 2 salamis on my lips. Ah! This is like a horror movie, like. This is the best moment of this gadget. We're gonna put lipstick on my Botox extreme look. Oh la la. By the way, I think I will have to buy like more lipsticks because just to all the area I have to cover. I think now I am ready. How do you like me? Okay, so this gadget is amazing for Halloween, but girl, do not try this at home, and of course never go to plastic surgery and get this result. This gadget looks like super efficient. I am so excited. This is like playing, like kids time. We put the water after this, so you put here. So now you put your machine and now you have to work it. You have to work. You want nice skin, you have to work. You want to be flawless, you have to work. Okay, and voila. Now you have this fabulous mousse that you will apply all around your body. You feel just like clean, like soft. This gadget is approved. Can I go to the toilet? This is disgusting. Oh my god. I hope I don't need this much this gadget because actually it's disgusting. Are you ready? Because I am not. I don't know. This is weird. Okay, this is weird. I'm sorry. If it's not because I'm used to cameras, it's super weird. And I was like super shy in the beginning, but after, I mean, I want to show you, you know, like the real thing. So this gadget is approved. Oh my god, not again. This is like the kind of gadget that I do not want to try. No, ugly, disgusting. I don't like it. Who has this bad idea? Ready, set, and go. It's so ugly. Let's try it. There's not even glue in here. So how am I supposed to stick this to my eye? And now we're gonna apply this side as well. Ah! It's so painful. It works, right? I love it. Guys, this is no point. Sorry, not sorry. Not approved. I think this gadget will be like the most useful for me because I am so bad applying eyeshadow, but still I don't trust it. Probably you will look like somebody punched in your face, you know. It's beauty time and the full packaging actually is quite equipped. So let's take our accessory. It's very easy. You will just put it in here. So we're gonna use this color. I'm gonna place this in here. You just need to go like this. Oh la la, this looks weird. Guys, I highly recommend. You just need to practice. If you are already a makeup artist, I'm sure that you will know how to use it. Thanks for watching. This is Patricia Contreras. See you next time.